Today we're going to be drawing a cute puppy. You'll need a black piece of paper, pencil, or a black marker, whichever you prefer, and coloring utensils if you are planning on coloring the puppy. So first we're going to draw the eyes, and we're going to draw highlights in them. Then we're going to draw the nose and make the nose really shiny on the top, and the mouth, which is curving outwards. And the tongue will be hanging out of the mouth. And draw tiny little eyebrows, not too big, not too small either. Now we're going to draw the ears, which are going to be hanging from the sides. This part's a little tricky, but just follow along. Now we're going to draw the collar, and of course we can't forget the little cute bone that's hanging below. Now we're going to add little fur on its chest. Now we're drawing the legs, and the legs will be curving in on the inside. These are the front legs, and we're going to draw the back legs and make it look like the dog sitting. And lastly, we draw the tail curving in.